This session, we have to see the data warehouse laboratories for performing information gain for a particular attribute in a given data. An algorithm of this program is, first we have to open the OR lab software and we have to set the crayon mirror from package and set as an OR for selecting the library. Then we have to install the package and select the library for install to appearing of a box plot diagram for getting from the given data. Then we can read the file from our comment. Then we have to display the attributes by using the keyword summary and use the comment box plot wherever we have to install from the package, and it will be used to display the attribute of map. So first in R, we have to read the file based on CSV extension and give the summary of tree. By the function of summary of tree, the uh, the data set can be appeared with the whatever the Excel sheet happening in the file, the all the attributes can be found in the mm, runtime program. By the function of summary tree, we have to get all the information from the data set. So these are the data set item. We have to get the information gain of each attribute. So this is the value for corresponding attribute based on that ID, gender, education, and job category, salary, and the salary begins, job time, and previous experience and minority. These are the attributes. Whatever we have to insert box plot of 3 minus 5, comma, main equal to information gain for the particular attribute in employee details. These are the information it will be displayed for heading way. Then after we have to enter the program, the comments will be displayed. This is the program you during the runtime using R. Here this visible. Yes. Here we have to read the data set and the summary of the tree. The all the data items can be displayed during the summary of tree. Then after we have to enter the block spot of the tree of -5 from the main. Then we have to enter the center of the heading. So the graphic will be displayed. So the each items can be displayed in a plot box, that is a box plot stage. We have to get the information of a data set whatever we need.